Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make a double ninja star. So the materials you'll need is 8" by 11.5" paper and a ruler. Let's get right into it. First thing I'm going to do is fold this paper in half, just like that. Make sure you crease it well and your edges are aligned. And just open that up. Take your ruler, align it with that middle crease, and just slowly tear it. So then that, take your other half, fold that in half, and then crease it properly with the edges aligned. Open that up. Take your ruler and just tear that right in half. Once you've got your 2/4 now, I'm gonna take your other half, fold it, just like that. Open it up, take your ruler, then just tear that in half. So once you've done that, you're gonna end up with 4/4, just like this. And now we're just gonna use 1/4. I'm gonna take this quarter, fold it in half once again. Make sure your edges are properly aligned. And crease it. One important step is make sure your open flap is on the bottom. Take your paper, fold it horizontally right in half. Make sure it's creased properly. And then just take your top right corner, fold that downwards. You're gonna have this triangle right here. Take your bottom left corner and fold that upwards. Once you've done that, you're gonna have this weird looking shape. I'm gonna fold it around. Not fold it, but turn it around. And then you're gonna end up with 2 rectangles, a parallelogram. Take this rectangle and fold it into a square. One important step is make sure when you're making a square, you're gonna leave this just a little bit of space for that square. That's gonna really help later on. At the square, that little bit of space, just fold that, take the square, just fold it right into a triangle. So you will be repeating these steps. You will be repeating these steps to create this shape 4 times. You guys can reverse anytime you want, pause the video if I'm going too fast. Then square, triangle, there you go, now you've got the Z. So once you've done that, you're gonna wanna do it for 3 more pieces of paper. Now you're gonna have sort of 4 Z's, or 4 shapes that look like Z's. Okay, so for now, you're just gonna wanna keep 2 Z's. See how when you have the Z, the flaps, they kind of fold upwards, right? You're gonna keep that way. And when you have this other Z, you're just gonna wanna flip it around. Now the flaps, they kind of fold downwards. I'm gonna take that Z, align it with this other Z, and once you've done that, it's gonna kind of look like a number 8. So that's when you know you're doing right. Take a normal Z with the flaps that fold upwards. Just align that with that Z. You're gonna end up with sort of 4 triangles on each side. So you're gonna have left triangle, which you're gonna fold just like that. A top triangle, gonna fold just like that. Now with this third triangle, you're gonna want to just kind of curve it like that so it's easier folded. So it could just go right into that flap. Then this bottom 4th one, I'm gonna fold it just like the 3rd one. So it just slides right in there, just like that. That's perfect. Just like that. Make sure it's properly folded. Then once you got this, fold it around So now, remember how we folded that? Now these are going to be these flaps are going to be folding upwards, simply like that. Take the Z, do the same thing, have 4 sides, take this left one, fold just like that, top one, that, once again, third one, fold it with a curve, fourth one, fold it with a curve, just place that slot right inside of there. Then once you've done that, you're almost done, you're right there, okay? Just gonna align this properly. Just gonna squeeze it with your hands. Squeeze it really nice. You wanna make sure there's no holes in there. You wanna make sure it's really smooth when you start turning it. Squeeze it properly, all 4 sides, squeeze it. Once you've done that, you're done. Great job. You've created a double ninja star. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.